This is Matt from Vinmori Smart Apparel, providing heated and cooling technology to help you fight against severe cold and extremely hot weather. Today, I'm going to introduce our 3-second instant cooling water circulation vest to help people improve the working conditions in the extremely hot weather. This cooling vest comes with a water blade that allows you to put water inside. So if we have water pumps here to help you to pump over the water circulate over the whole body, and we have two cooling pieces, one on the back and one on the front to keep your car body cooler. And we can put the ice pack inside, and it will have a cooling effect of minus 10 degrees Celsius instantly. As you can see, this cooling vest comes with a USB port, allows you to easily access to any USB batteries in the market. And these portable USB batteries will support the heated vest to work over 20 hours. We have different working modes, standard working modes, and battery saving working modes. Just by easily one connect, just one click the buttons, and the cooling systems will start working by pumping over the water circulate over your bodies to help to bring the heat. Okay. As you can see, we just need to pour a small bottle of water inside the water bladers to make it cool. And you can easily insert the ice pack, which will help to lower the temperatures to minus 10 degrees Celsius. You can easily insert the ice packs to help to lower the temperature with the 10 minus degrees Celsius instant cooling. We have zippers, opening zippers in the center front to allow you to wear it more convenient, and we have the side adjustable designs to better fit the body shape. Now I will show you how the cooling system works, and you will see according to the sample imager. Now I have turned on the cooling systems, and you can see the water is circling over slowly to my front and to my back. You can see according to the sample imager, it's getting more and more blue, which means the temperature is going more and more cool. And we have different cooling systems to fit your different designs. Like we have side adjustable cooling systems allows you to do some side adjustable designs. And we have the shoulder adjustable cooling systems allows you to break the shoulders to make a more bigger shoulder tolerance. And this is the cooling systems with the center front adjustable, so you can make it more easily to wear. If you have any needs to deal with the high temperatures to prevent from heat stroke and to relieve stress, then this cooling vest is an ideal solution for use to improve the working conditions. Thank you for watching, subscribers, and we will keep you posted about the newest technology in either cooling or heating to make your life better and better.